Welcome to BB Gold Funds Global Solutions Limited. Are you tired of feeling unwell and seeking relief that won't leave you with unwanted side effects? Look no further. BB Gold Herbs offers a natural cure to your health issues using the power of roots and herbs. We're here to introduce you to the wonders of natural healing using roots and herbs like cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, garlic, parsley, lemongrass, dove, basil, aloe vera, olive, chai seed, and many more. We produce our product ourselves and it comes in liquid form, powdered form, and roots. Here are the reasons why you should choose us. We don't just hand out organic herbal remedies. Nope. We run one-on-one consultation. We take time to sit with you and listen to your concern and run thorough tests to make sure we are giving each individual the right treatment. Because we believe that your health deserves personalized attention. We are committed to traditional herbal practices, providing relief and solution to a range of ailments like quick ejaculation, weight loss, fibroid, vaginal discharge, prostate issues in men, chronic piles, diabetics, infections, kidney problems, infertility issues, ovarian cysts, ulcer, hepatitis. You can locate us at Zone 2B Sango UI, Uyo Road, behind Seedvest Samunda, Ibadan, Nigeria. Our contact numbers are 0803 381 5639 or 070 419 14000. At BB Gold Herbs, we say once there is sickness, there is herbs for it. Embrace nature's healing touch with BB Gold Funds Global Solution Limited, your one-stop remedy with nature.